Growing your money in these challenging times can be difficult if you have no idea how to maximize your investments. No, it is important that you learn exactly what to do when it comes to growing your overall wealth. It's almost like buying a car and not knowing how to drive. And I know some people are guilty of that. So it's important for you to understand exactly the ins and outs of investing. Here's the thing: in order to get the most out of your investments, you either need to know what you're doing or work with someone who knows what they're doing. So you don't have to know exactly what to do, but find someone who does. Now, here's the thing: I find that the number one issue people are having when it comes to investing is not knowing how to invest. And that's okay, because that's what Profit Jumpstarter is all about. This is what I do. This is my passion. This is my mission, to educate you around investments. That is why I'm here. I believe that is why I was born, to show you the thing how the money set. You earn the money and we teach you the ins and outs of investing so you can generate wealth and grow the money. You earn the money and we show you how to grow that money and create lasting wealth. Investing is the way to wealth. Learning how to accelerate your wealth journey will get you there. That's the key. Make sure you understand what to do when it comes to investing. Invest in yourself, invest in your future with Profit Jumpstarter, and let's get the ball rolling on generational wealth.